Hi guys, my name is Ifeda and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be creating a full face of makeup, this makeup, using Makeup Revolution products. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. I primed my eyes before I started this tutorial. I primed my eyes with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Now I'm applying the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F13. This is a nice stick foundation. It has medium to full coverage. I'm applying the foundation with my damp Nuban beauty sponge, which you guys know I already love. And if you have any recommendations for any affordable beauty sponges, I'd love to hear them. Leave your comments in the comment section below, because I really like this one, but I'd love to try other sponges too. So I'm dabbing that in and really blending out the foundation. It blends in super well. I like this foundation for days I want to go out for a short while, or I'm not going to be out in the sun for too long, because it has a dewy finish, so it works well for cool climates, or for people with dry skin, or maybe combination skin. I don't really think it's fantastic for oily skin folks. I'm going ahead to conceal and highlight my face with the Makeup Revolution concealers, and I'm mixing together C12 and C13. C13 is a little too light for me for highlighting, so I mix it together with C13, which is a darker shade. So I'm going ahead to set underneath the parts of my face I highlighted with my Makeup Revolution banana powder. I actually mixed this with a little bit of Black Opal Deluxe finishing powder in shade medium to make it less white, so to speak. I'm bronzing up my face with the Black Radiance powder in the shade 8603. It's a really nice dark powder, really lovely for bronzing. Now I'm setting my whole face with my Glams Two Way Cake in, I've forgotten the shade. I'll leave the name of the shade in the description box below. I've done my brows off camera, and I filled in my brows with my classic brow pencil as usual. Now I'm going in with the eyeshadow palette, the Makeup Revolution iconic Newtrals 2 palette, which is my favorite palette right now. It's my go-to palette. I totally love this palette. I've reviewed this palette on my blog, and I'll leave the link in the description box below. I've done one eye off camera, so now I'm doing the second eye, and I first went in with those two brown shades. They look brown in the palette, in the pan, but they actually come off with little pink and peachy shades. By blending that into my crease as my transition color, and now I'm going in with that orange shade, and with a tinier brush. This is the Nuban Beauty eyeshadow brush, and I'm popping that right into my crease and trying to intensify the color in my crease. I want this look to come out orange and, you know, summery and bright. I'm blending all the shades together with my Echo Tools blending brush, and after that I'm going ahead to apply my lid shade. I'm first applying some setting spray to my brush, then I'm going in with both the champagne shade and the peachy shimmer shades and popping those shades together on my lid. I wasn't sure which shade to use, so I thought I'd just use them together. I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick in Rose Gold, and I'm taking that topmost shade and applying it under my eyebrow to highlight my eyebrows. I really want the bottom of my eyebrows to pop. I think I put a little too much. Now I'm going underneath my eyes and applying those brown, peach and orange shades under my lower lash line, and now I'm lining my waterline with the Maybelline gel liner. I'll leave the full name in the description box below. I'm also lining my top lash line with the Zaron liquid eyeliner, which is my soulmate. I'm fixing my eyelashes now, and I'm fixing this Nuban Beauty Mink lashes in the shade G. I'm applying them with these tweezers I got from Jumia. And now that I fixed my lashes, I'm lining my lips with the House of Tara eyebrow pencil. It's actually an eyebrow pencil in the shade, I think, brown. It's brown or dark brown. And I'm lining my lips and trying to create that pout. And then I'm applying my lip stain actually, and I'm applying the Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick in the shade Glory. It's a beautiful dark brown, rich coffee brown shade. It's so amazing, so gorgeous. It's one of my best lip stains actually. It makes my lips look so good. Now I'm applying this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick in Rose Gold as my highlighter, and I'm basically running the brush through all the shades and applying those shades of the mixture to the top of my cheekbone. I've started using smaller brushes to apply my highlighter because I think it gives a better finish and it also allows for higher shine. It's better compared to using a fan brush or a bigger blending brush, because those ones basically leave the product sitting on top of your skin instead of melting right into your makeup. That completes the look, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Can't keep quiet now. What's doing? Hi guys, my name is Ifedaya and welcome to my channel. Today, oh god, I talk so fast, that's the problem. Hi guys, my name is Ifedaya and welcome to my channel. Fan, keep chotes. What's your problem? There's no time to wait for this intro time. Hi guys, my name is Ifedaya and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome, and if this is not your first time stopping by, did not work, rewind.